Yes, Zainab. So let's see here. Let's recall what we learnt in the yesterday's class. We learned first constant, then variables, है ना? Right?
Yeah.
Constant, variables, and after that we learned
And we learned algebraic expression.
algebraic expression, है ना? अच्छा, let's see here. Let's do some revision. Okay. First we will do some revision, है ना? As 2x plus 5y plus 3, is it an algebraic expression?
I can't see. That's okay. Your whole screen is okay.
Is it okay na?
Yeah.
2x plus 5y plus 3, is it an algebraic expression or not?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you explain it? Why it is an algebraic expression?
Well, this is a symbol which
Hmm.
it has
The main point.
and variable.
The main point which we have to note, that is कि a constant and a variable is connected with or connected by the mathematical signs, right? So as you can see here, 2 and the constant and the x is variable are connected with a multiplication sign, right? Here again a constant and a variable are connected with a multiplication sign, right? है ना? Now 2x is the first term. This will be the first term. Okay. 5y will be the second term. It will be second term. And this 3 will be the third term. Third term. There is one more name we can give to this third term. Can you tell me what we can say? Acha. Let's see here. This term, the third term, is there any variable in this term? In the third term? No. It only consists constant, right? This third term, है ना? For this expression only, not for all expression. So in this expression, this third term is also known as constant term. What we can say? Constant term. So if I will ask कि tell me which term is the constant term, then at that time you have to say this 3 is the constant term for this expression, right? Is it clear? Or any doubt? Zainab, tell me.
No doubt.
No. After this, I think we have already learnt in the last class how to form the algebraic expression with addition sign and subtraction sign, right? Today we will see how to form the algebraic expression with the multiplication sign. Can you form it?
Huh?
Today we will learn how to form an algebraic expression with the help of multiplication sign. Okay, so can you form it?
Like 2y because
है ना? As here an example is given in the question in your book that Andrew has 2 empty books, है ना? 2 empty books or boxes है ना? 2 empty boxes. Okay, suppose this one, and he puts 12 books in each box, है ना? So how many books it will be?
Well, 2 times 12, which is 24.
Yes, here we can also write it 12 plus 12, it will be 24. As here it is repeated addition, So it can be also written as in the form of multiplication, right? What we can write in the form of multiplication? Yes, tell me. It will be
We could write.
what we can write?
This time. How do you do it with the numbers? Do you need the symbol?
Here, as it is written in the addition form, right? Adding the same number 2 times, right? So it will be known as repeated addition, है ना? And repeated addition can be written as in multiplication, as we know that multiplication is repeated addition.
12 times 2.
Yes, 2 into 12, है ना? What we can write? 2 into 12, this will be 24, right? Now suppose we are going to, or who is he? Andrew, है ना? Andrew is going to put n number of boxes, n number of books in each box, okay? As he has 2 box, he want to put n books, है ना? Now he is going to put n books. So here we can write 2 into n. So it will be 2n, right? Is it clear? Okay. So in this way we can create algebraic expression with the help of multiplication sign. Is it clear? Okay. Acha, is there any doubt till here? No. This one is also can written as n into 2, right? This one is also written as n into 2, है ना? As here 2 into 12 can be written as 12 into 2. Both are same, right? So in the same way, in an algebraic expression we can write it 2 into n or n into 2, both will be same. Is it clear? है ना?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's see one question. कि there are n stickers in a pack. There are n stickers in a pack. Find the number of stickers in term of n. So number of pack is 1. If number of pack will be 1, okay, number of packs will be 1, then what will be the number of sticker?
And
Number of stickers, it will be 1 into n, है ना? You can write 1 into n, it will be
which
n.
is n.
Yes, है ना? Now if number of packs will be 3, then
3n.
3 into n, 3n, है ना? Similarly you can do for 5. For 5,
5n.
5n. Is it clear? है ना? Now let's see here one more point. As we know that कि when we will multiply a number with 0, है ना? 5 into 0, it will be
5 into 0 would be 0.
0. Similarly 10 into 0, it will be
0.
0. Now take in the place of constant, now take variables in the place of constant. Okay, suppose it will be x, so x into 0, it will be
0.
0. Yes, है ना? Here we are just saying, here we are just learning the basic concept of algebraic expression. Okay, is it clear? Similarly we can say n into 0, it will be n into 0.
0.
Yes, 0, है ना? It will be 0. Is it clear? Or any doubt? No. Okay. Now comes to division. Okay, if you want to note down what happened. Now let's see for division. Okay,
Okay.
suppose we have 10 chocolates, okay, and we have to distribute it among 5 children. We have to distribute it among 5 children. So each children will get how many chocolates?
2.
2. Yes. Now instead of 10, suppose we have x chocolates. How many chocolates? We have x chocolates. We have to divide it in 5 children. Okay, among 5 children. So it will be
X upon 5.
x upon 5, right? So in this way we will create or we will form the algebraic expression with the help of division. Is it clear? Now tell me, x by 5 will be less than or greater than 5? Sorry, x.
Huh?
X by 5 will be less than or greater than x.
X should be greater than 5.
X by 5. X by 5 will be greater or less than x. This result,
Oh, yeah, that would be less than X.
less than, है ना? This will be less than the x, or we can also say that कि this will be also less than 5, है ना? The divisor. Is it clear? Now let's see, there is an interesting question. Okay, as it said, Mrs. Nudge baked white tarts at first. Okay, he baked white tarts. Okay, she ate 4 tarts. The remaining tarts were shared equally among her children. Oh, she ate first, then she is distributing among children. Okay, how many tarts did each children can receive? Can you solve it or express it in algebraic
So
expression?
it should be Y minus 4.
Yes.
and 3.
First, as he
She
baked
ate 4,
Y,
so it
है ना?
minus 4.
Yes, and among 5 he ate 4. So this will be the remaining, and this remaining is distributing among 3 children. So it will be y minus 4 divided by 3. Is it clear? Clear now? Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see here. The first question. Okay, describe the algebraic expression 3w in as many ways as you can. Can you describe it? 3w.
3 times W. 3 W.
It's too simple. First we will describe it in addition form.
3 times W. 3. No, W plus W plus W.
Yes, good, है ना? It can be w plus w plus w, right? This will be the first way. Now second way.
3 times W.
3 times w. This one. This is already written here.
Yeah.
हाँ. अच्छा, you are saying 3 into w.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the second way. You can say, or we can say, now we can express it also at least one more time. See, w plus w.
No, wait, like 1
हाँ.
W, 1 W, 1 W addition.
हाँ, sure. 1w plus 1w plus 1w. But here 1w is same as w, na? Right? 1w is same as w. Okay. So we can't write like this, na? It is just like my name is Zainab. Zainab is my name. Both are same, right? So now the in second way is w plus w. W plus w, 2w. plus
one
w. This is the second way, right?
Okay.
है ना? Okay, so in this way we can do it, right? Now your partner draw a model of algebraic expression in one. Okay, acha, you have to just do it now. Okay, leave it. Switch role, repeat 1 and 2 with the following algebraic expression. The third number, in the third number you have to do the same thing as we have done in the first. 5z, I think you can do it, है ना? 5z, है ना? 5z. Now it's, you can easily do it like this, है ना?
Yeah, 1 second. Let's see.
Z plus z plus z plus z 5 times like this,
Yeah,
है ना?
3z plus 2z.
हाँ, yes, it can be also.
5 into z.
Yes. Z plus 4z, है ना?
Huh?
Z plus 4z.
But it's 5z.
हाँ, we have to make 5z ना, तो z plus 4z.
Oh, I heard 3 plus 4z.
No, z plus 4z. Okay, we can also do in more ways. 2z plus 2z plus z, right?
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, now I think you can do for it. Do for the next question, g by 4. It's g by 4.
G on top of it.
हाँ. Z by 4.
G divided by 4.
It's too simple. Just apply the concept. Let's see. First one I can do for you, okay? The first way. 2z by 8. Can we write like this? 2g by 8. How? Okay, let's see here. As 2 and g.
Understood. So
Yes, है ना?
it will be G and then
हाँ.
8.
Yes, है ना? As here 2 and g are connected with multiple sign, right? 2 into z divided by 8. Now 2 1 times, 2 4 8 4 times. So it will be z by 4. That's too simple, right? Now next one, please try. Any another way? There are many ways. There are many ways. This chapter you have already learnt in the 6th class, na?
Yeah.
Then
Can we do 3G divided by 12? Or is that not
Yes, very good. 3g divided by 12, it can be. Now try to express in addition form. In addition form. Can you express it in addition form?
How do you do that?
What?
How do you do that? Because
We can do it. Just try. Acha, in multiplication form. These are also multiplication form.
Wait, in addition,
Hmm.
you could do G plus 1 divided by 4.
See. Z divided by 4 plus 0.
Oh,
We can do it, na?
so then like G
Acha.
divided by 4.
Let's see here. Z divided by 4, okay, plus 2x minus 2x. You can do anything. Plus 2x minus 2x 0. Rest will be z by 4. Right? You can do in many ways. है ना? Okay. 8 z by 2. अच्छा. One more thing. Z by 2 plus g by 2 whole divided by 4. G by 2 plus z by 2 whole divided by 4. This one can also written as g by 8 plus z by 8. Just try to solve it, and this one also separately. Did you get the answer for this one? G by 2 plus z by 2, it will be g by 2 plus z by 2.
Z.
Yes, it will be g. Or you can see here, half of g plus half of g, it will be complete g, na? So the whole g divided by 4. Here we will get g by 4. Too simple. Now do for this one. G by 8 plus z by 8. Take the LCM, as LCM will be 8, right? LCM will be 8. 8 1 times 8, so g 1 ja g, plus again 8 1 ja 8, z 1 ja g. G plus z, 2g divided by 8. We have already done it.
Which should be the same.
2 1 4, so it will be g by 4. It's too simple, है ना? Right?
Yeah.
Is it clear or any doubt?
No.
No. So now you can do the basic operations on algebraic expression, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just give a overview on the next page, evaluating algebraic expression. Can you do it now?
Yeah.
We will try one or two rest questions you have to practice as a homework, okay?
Okay.
See, as here it is written 8p, right? 8p, you have to find the value of 8p when p will be equal to 7. If p equal to 7, 8p equal to question mark. How you will do it?
What do you say? AP?
8p, if p equal to 7, then what will be the value?
8p equals to 8 into p,
Hmm.
and since p is 7, it will be 8 into 7.
Yes, good. है ना? Let's see how you have to write it in your answer copy. As it's maths, है ना? In maths we have to mention each and every chapter, each and every step. Okay? Otherwise you may lose the marks, right? So here we will write given. First we will write given. Here it is given कि p equal to 7, right? And we have to find 8p equal to question mark. Now let's see how we will do it. 8 into p, in the place of p we will put 7, it will be 56. Okay, that's all. When you will change the step, you have to give arrow mark in before the margin of your copy. Okay, and you have to keep in the box the answer and the given points, so that it will be highlight. Okay, is it clear or any doubt?
No.
Can you do for the next question?
It's next question.
Yes, m by 4 minus 9.
What's the
M
value
by
of m?
4 minus 9 when m equal to 36. Just write m by 4 minus 9 when m equal to 36. So what is the answer?
0.
0, है ना? Good. You have to write given. Okay, the point which is given. So here this is given na, m equal to 36. Okay, and what we have to find? So m minus 4 minus m by 4 minus 9 equal to question mark. This one we have to find, right? Now we are changing the steps, so again we will give the arrow mark and write m minus 4, m by 4 minus 9 equal to, in the place of m we will write 36 by 4 minus 9. Now as here you can see m by 4 minus 9 equal to 4 9 ja 36, so it will be 9 minus 9. So here we will write कि therefore m by 4 minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, and here we will write when m equal to 36, and this will be our answer. Is it clear? So in this way you have to solve the question in exam, test, or in your fair copy also. Okay, is there any doubt?
No.